In this video, we will learn how to automatically share YouTube channel performance with team on Slack on the daily basis. So being a YouTuber, how do you share your channel performance daily with your team on Slack? Of course, firstly, you'll have to log into the YouTube studio, copy the views and subscribers data, and then again manually share the same data on Slack with your team on the daily basis. But what if I tell you that you can entirely automate this process? Yes, you just need to set an automation in YouTube and Slack application, and after that, every day the channel stats will be fetched up automatically via YouTube channel, and the same stats will be automatically shared with the team every day on your Slack channel without doing anything manually. Yes, it is possible. You just need to set an automation, and after that every day the channel stats will be shared with your team automatically. And for this automation, you do not even require any programming skills or coding. Want to learn how you can set this automation for yourself? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my YouTube channel analytics, and I would like to share the performance on the daily basis with my team on one of my Slack channel. For that, I'll have to build a connection in between these applications, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software via which you can connect multiple applications and automate your tasks. You can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you're a new user, you will have to sign up for free, and in the free account you will also get free task every month in your account to test these kinds of amazing automation. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on sign in, and then I have clicked on access now, and I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now after reaching here, you will have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and simply provide a random name to your automation, to your workflow. I'm providing the name as fetch YouTube channel stats and then send on Slack channel daily. Okay, now click on create, and after that you will find two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, every day the channel stats should be fetched up via YouTube application, and the same stats should be shared on Slack application. So this is how generally we always need to select the applications in which we are setting up an automation. But here I want this automation to run on the daily basis. So instead of selecting the first application as YouTube, I'm going to select the schedule feature, which is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect via which you can schedule your automations, schedule your workflow as per your requirement. Okay, so it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So I would like to run my workflow every day because I want to share my channel performance on the daily basis. And here you can even specify the timing. So how about I would like to share the channel stats maybe on 9:25 a.m. every morning. Okay, so I have defined the timing here, and the time will be based on your account time zone. Okay, I'll be clicking on this button and you will see that how this automation has been scheduled every day. Now what will happen? What should happen? The stats should be fetched up automatically via YouTube channel. So that is why in the second application I am searching for the YouTube, and in the action event I will search for the get channel stats because I would like to perform the same thing. Okay, same action. Okay, here you can see get channel stats. Now click on connect, click on add a new connection, and the idea here is we are connecting our YouTube account with the Pabbly Connect so that the channel stats first can be fetched up here, and then we can share the same stats with my team on Slack, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. So that is why we are connecting our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. So click on connect with YouTube and provide the access of your YouTube channel. Here you can rely on Pabbly Connect because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Now clicking on continue, and here you can see that the authorization is successful and my YouTube channel is now connected with Pabbly Connect. First thing, it is asking for the channel ID. So if you will go to your YouTube channel, you will find your channel ID here. Okay, the part after this channel slash is actually the channel ID. Okay, if you are getting confused from here, I'll show you that if you will open your YouTube channel here, the last part is actually your channel ID. Okay, so I have copied and pasting the same here. Okay, enter the channel ID here to retrieve the channel stats. Okay, so if I'll click on this button, you will see that how the channel stats will be actually fetched up automatically, and here you can see the response has been received. Let me show you the details one by one. So we have the details one by one. We have the channel ID, we have the channel name, we even have the published at. Okay, though basically the channel published stats. Okay, and where are the details which we would like to fetch? So these are the channel view count and the subscriber count, and you must be thinking that why do I have this very less data in my response? Because this is just a testing channel, and I have created this testing channel just to show you that how you can share the channel performance with the team. Okay, so I already have the data. Now we just need to share this data with the team. So you'll have to click on this plus icon and you tell us what should be the next application. Of course, since we want to send the data on Slack, we will go with the Slack application only, and in the action event we want to send a channel message. So I have selected the same. Now you'll have to click on connect, and just like we have connected our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect, now we'll have to connect our Slack channel with Pabbly Connect. So again, you'll have to click on add a new connection and connect your Slack with Pabbly Connect. It is asking for the token type as either user or bot. So what is the difference in between user token and the bot token? You can actually read the same here exactly. Okay, let me show you. So if you want to share, if you want to perform these kind of action, you'll have to go to the user. If you want to perform these action, you will have to go to the bot. So how about I go with the user bot, because I want to share the message, I want to send a message. Now I have clicked on save, and here since I'm already logged in into my channel, basically into my Slack channel, it is directly asking me for the permission only. Now I am clicking on this allow button, and you will see that how the channel will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Basically my Slack application is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the channel to select. Okay, so if I'll take you my channel, here you can see I have several Slack channels. Okay, and all of these channels are actually visible here also in the drop downs since we are connected, and I'm going to select which specific channel, basically this YouTube channel, because I want to share the message, share the stats here only. So I have selected the same, and now it is asking for the message. Basically what kind of message you would like to share with the team on this specific channel. Okay, specify text of the message send, check out the formatting help docs for the advanced option. So I want to share the channel performance, basically the views and subscribers. So I'm going to copy this particular text and paste it here, and firstly I am going to do the formatting a little bit. Okay, and in front of this views section, my views, the daily views should be added automatically. So how I am going to do that? Well, we want to share the same data which we have just received in the above step, and I don't need to manually copy and paste the data here. Okay, if you will click on this particular field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. You just need to select that specific action step and or that specific application, and you will see the above data here, and you just need to select that specific data. So here I am going to select the views count, and here you will see that how the views will be replaced, views will be added here. Okay, and likewise I am going to add the subscribers data also. So how about I directly search for the subscribers, and I just have the single subscribers only, and I can also write thanks or thank you. Okay, so this is the message which I would like to share with my team on the daily basis, and for sending this stats on the daily basis, I have already applied the scheduler feature via which my automation will run every day automatically. So what will happen? So this is how this automation is going to work, and you must be thinking that why do I mapped these options instead of adding manually? Because I want this data to be replaced automatically on the daily basis when this automation will execute in real time. So that is why I have mapped this data. If I will add it manually, the data will remain same, it will not change. So that is why mapping is important inside your automation, and this is how the automation is going to take place. In case you want to provide any image, the all text, you can provide the same. For now I am going to leave all this data blank because this is not the mandatory field. Okay, I'll be clicking on this button directly, save and send test request, and you will see that how the stats will be shared automatically. Well, the response has already arrived going back to my Slack channel, and here you can see on the same specified Slack channel the data is here. Yesterday's YouTube channel performance is views were 32, subscribers were 1. Okay, so this is how every day the channel, one day before channel starts, will be automatically get shared on your Slack channel without doing anything manually. Just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that what will happen, every day this automation is going to send the data on Slack channel. You just need to sit back and relax, and Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Just in case if you want to clone this whole data, the whole workflow into your account, you can click on this particular link, because I'm going to attach this link into my YouTube description box. And when you will click on this link and sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.